Hey y'all, I guarantee you're going to want to stick around and watch this video if you're one of the following. Number one, if you're currently not fulfilled on your job. Number two, if you know internally that there is more out there. Number three, if you are living from paycheck to paycheck. And number four, if your job is currently not giving you the ability to pay your bills. Does that sound like anyone that you are right now? Well, if so, go ahead, tap in. Let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to announce a giveaway. Listen, I want to help you on your journey, so I will be giving away one of these options to a blessed winner. You can choose a 1 hour coaching call on real estate, or you can choose a 1 hour coaching call on how to grow your monthly income. You can also choose a month to attend two of my classes that are held monthly on real estate. First winner will be announced once we've reached 100 subs. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to announcing the winner on our giveaway live, so stay tuned. Now, on to the video. I know it can be hard out there, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know that there are people that live stress-free, enjoyable, and fruitful lives financially? Also, did you know that that could be you? I want to outline a couple of points for you today that will help you identify how this can be you and how you don't have to allow things to remain the same for you financially. So let's hop into the first point. Point number one, money flows in and out of your life based on how you're thinking. If you think that opportunities aren't going to be available to you, then they probably aren't going to be. If all you see in your life is people living from paycheck to paycheck and working the 9 to 5, that's typically how you will govern your life. Why is that? Because whatever you spend your time focusing on and whatever you spend your time around the most gets magnified in your life. Your money flow changes when your perspective changes. So, are you willing to make an adjustment where your thinking is concerned in that area? Because I can't stress this enough. Your thinking will determine the course of your life. What you think on a daily basis, what you think on most of the time, will determine the course in which you will go. And that can't be stressed enough. When you're willing to change the way you think, when you're willing to change the perspective that you have, then that is when things will begin to go in the direction that they need to go. If your perspective never changes, then your life will never change. If your thoughts never change, then your life will never change. So understand that money will flow in and out of your life based on how you see, think, and understand how money flows. Hey guys, real quick, can you do me a favor? Can you go ahead and start letting me know what you think about what we've discussed so far down in the comment section? And while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and start sharing. Go ahead and subscribe or follow. And if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time we drop a new video. We appreciate you guys in advance for doing that. Now, let me get back to this second point. The second point I wanted to talk to you today about is becoming an advocate for increasing your income. And what do I mean by that? If what you're doing right now isn't making enough for you to survive, you need to do one of the following. You either need to add a side passion that's going to increase your income, or you need to seek a higher paying job. You may need to get new skills. You may need to get over the fear of applying. You may need to get over the fear of change altogether in order for you to overcome this hurdle and become an advocate for increasing your own income. You have to be a proponent of increasing your income, because while doing a budget for your finances is necessary, if your money or your income is only allowing you to do so much, what good is a budget going to do? If your budget has a need of $3,000, but you're only making $2,000, you need to increase your income. And that's just point blank, period. If they're increasing prices all across the board, you can't sit there and stay the same. You have to increase your income. You have to become an advocate of that. And there's no other way to get around it. Because if you don't, you're going to find yourself stressed out and not living financially free, like I was talking about earlier. Do you want to be one of those individuals that has an enjoyable, fruitful, and stress free life? You have to become a proponent of increasing your income. And so, in order to do that, you're going to have to get out of your comfort zone. You're going to have to do something different, and you're going to have to flow with change in order for that to occur. So, go ahead, get your mind ready so that you can become an advocate of increasing your income. So, what are you guys going to do about that today? Are you willing to change your mindset so that your mind can help change your perspective so money can flow differently in your life? Are you going to become an advocate of increasing your income so that things can change in your life? If you're willing to do one of those two or both, I'm going to encourage you to jump on my coaching call that's talking about increasing your income to $10,000 a month minimum. All you have to do is check the comments or check the links in the description so that you can find the coaching call for how to increase your monthly income to $10,000. All you have to do is sign up for that class, and I will aid you in getting to the place where you can begin to release the stress of life so that you can begin to release all the worries and the concerns that you have for not making enough money so that you can start making enough money to live the life that you know that you are supposed to live. Y'all cool with that? Y'all down with that? Go ahead and check the comments. Go ahead and check the links in the description and sign up for the coaching calls so that your life can start going in the direction that you want it to go. We appreciate you guys for checking out this video. Let us know what you think about what we shared today in the comment section, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.